Welcome, fourth graders, to almost done with the decimals here. We're skipping along to lesson 12, where we apply understanding of fraction equivalents to add tenths and hundredths. So let's take a look. Okay, complete the number sentence by expressing each part using hundredths. Model using the place value chart as shown below. Okay, so 1/10, which is here, 8 hundredths, which is here, equals how many hundredths? And you'll notice that they unbundled this 1/10, moved it over to the hundredths place so that it became 10 hundredths, and now that they could add them because we're adding the same units, right? We can't add tenths to hundredths, but we can add hundredths to hundredths. So this 1/10 is actually 10 hundredths. So now we have 18 hundredths. 18 hundredths. Okay. Let me show you what that looks like on a place value chart as well, on a different chart. So in the first case, we had just 1/10, right? And we had, we had, 8 hundredths. So in order to add them up, we had to convert this 1/10 into 10 hundredths. So all we do is put a 0 here, and now we can add them up. And when we do, we get 18 hundredths. So 10 hundredths plus 8 hundredths is 18 hundredths. Okay? Or you could say 1/10 is equivalent to 10 hundredths. And now you could add 10 hundredths plus 8 hundredths, and you get 18 hundredths, which is equal to that 18 hundredths, same thing. Okay, so and then here 2/10, we got to convert it, right? So we would put 2 dots in the tenths place. We would put 3 dots in the hundredths place. So we would unbundle to say 1/10 becomes 10 hundredths. Another tenth becomes 10 more hundredths. So we have 20 hundredths plus 3 hundredths equals 23 hundredths. And then let's skip down here where we don't have any of the charts. And you get something like this. 3/10 equals how many hundredths? 30. So I usually just cross it off. Boom. And then put 30 hundredths. Plus 7 hundredths equals 37 hundredths, which if you write as a decimal is 0.37. 5/10 equals how many hundredths? 50 hundredths, right? So 50 plus 16 is 66. 66 hundredths as a decimal is 0.66. Okay. Hopefully that explains everything. And then we got a little story problem here. Cameron measured 65 hundredths inch of rainwater on the first day of April. Second day of April, he measured 83 hundredths of an inch of rainwater. How many total inches of rainwater did Cameron measure on the first 2 days of April? Well, these are both in hundredths already, so we can add them. We don't need to convert tenths to hundredths. We can say 65 hundredths plus 83 hundredths. Let's go back over here. $65 hundredths plus 83 hundredths. Don't run out of time, please. Oh, I think we got enough time. 65 hundredths plus 83 hundredths is, well, in the hundredths place, we got 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. Here, 8 plus 6/10 is 14/10, which will give us 14/10, which is 1 inch and 48 hundredths of an inch of rainwater. Okay, good luck.